The government's decided to reduce the minimum size of a studio apartment from 37 square metres to 32 square metres, the equivalent of 2.5 parking spaces. But what would that actually look like? As tempted as I am to recreate it on The Sims, we're going to use a 3D room planner to test it out. Okay, so we need to get a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and some sort of living area in here. I think I'm going to start with the bed because that's probably the biggest thing. Now I'm going to build a bathroom in this corner. It's not looking too bad. We still don't have a kitchen, a table, or anywhere to sit. I'm going to put a chest of drawers under the TV as I don't think we're going to get a wardrobe in here. The new apartment standards also mean that there are fewer windows and balconies required, and the requirement to have a community or cultural space has been scrapped completely. Now we need to fit a kitchen in this corner, which might be doable. Okay, so the only way we can fit a kitchen is if there's no counter space, but I suppose you can chop your vegetables on the washing machine. We still need a table and chairs, so I'm going to put that here. And this is the finished product. What do you think? Would you live in a 32 square metre studio apartment?